So let's take a look at some examples. Let's just make up some things and just play with the calculator. I like this calculator. It comes in with an amount there. Let's see what it is for a $100,000 home. All right. If we were going FHA, what is that? 3.5% down. So all you have to do is type in 3.5%, and your down payment is automatically figured out. If you want to do 10% down, that automatically goes in there as well. It shows you the payment that you're going to have, right? 30-year term. Well, what if I want to do 15 years? It's a little bit more, $300, well, 200 something dollars more on the payment. So you can see how that works. So let's go back to 30 years. I'll keep that interest rate where it is. But let's just look at some of the other things on the calculator, okay? Let's see, there. Let's look at some other things here. Over here to the right, you can see if there's homeowners insurance, a homeowners association fee, you'll put that here. Property taxes go here, homeowners insurance go here. But this calculator has advanced options. Let's take a look at those. That allows me to put in the zip code. Let's put in a zip code for Raleigh, 27615, right? And you don't have to do this, but let's just say the score is around 680. Now, they are going to figure out for you automatically what the going tax rate is and what the going homeowners insurance is. And let's say you're moving in a new subdivision, you know there's a $25 homeowners fee, you add that in, and you can go ahead and click hide the options. Just open those again to make sure it stayed the same. And let's go ahead and change the amount. Let's change it to 200,000. Like, not many houses out there for 100,000 anyway, right? But that was for some to make the example simplistic. So $200,000 home. FHA down payment is 3.5%. That's 7,000 down over a 30-year period. I just want to make sure my information stayed the same here. You see how the property taxes went up in the house? Homeowners insurance stayed the same, and homeowners insurance remained the same, and homeowners association was input, so that's going to stay the same. So when you're looking at your home price, you can at least get an idea of what's going to be going into that payment, right? Homeowners association, property tax, homeowners insurance, and then the loan itself, making it $1,175. Now these days, I'm seeing people all the time looking at houses in the 300,000, $300,000 range. Let's say that 3.5% again makes it about 10,500. I see this a lot, so you know what you're working with. It jumped our property tax up, didn't it? Also left the homeowner's insurance at that rate. Now, personally, I don't think there's any way that a $300,000 home is going to have that low amount of homeowner's insurance. So we're going to go ahead and let's say we make that $75 a month. And that makes our payment just a few dollars more. I'll leave property tax insurance. So these are in escrow. So you're going to pay homeowners insurance 12 times a year. Property tax and homeowners association is going to be paid 12 times a year. So that will be your total. So let's just say, for instance, at $75 a month, I'm expecting my insurance, my homeowner's insurance, to be how much? 75 times 12, right? So that's $900 a year. $215 on the property taxes. So that times 12 is going to be $2,580 a year. That's an average tax rate in the Raleigh area, right? And my homeowner dues is going to be about $300, right? What is that? 25 times 12, $300 a year. All right. So I encourage you to play around with this calculator. You can put anything in here you want, right? You can put in 250,000 And now the down payment dropped a little bit automatically. So let's just make that 3.5%, making the down payment $87.50. Keep in mind, this is really going to be difficult to get out of for some of you. So before you start looking at a home, let's make sure we got some money saved. I have to save up some money. This is a good way to take a look. Rates are at 3%, 3.5% for a lot of good credit clients. So that might be something that helps you a lot. You can see your payment went down significantly with that 0.5%, a little more than that being dropped. Let's say we drop that to 3%, and you had another drop there. Okay, so whatever that is, whatever your interest rate is, it's going to automatically calculate in the difference for you. Payment goes up to $14.30. Principal and interest changed here. So I don't think there's anything else I need to say about this. I know you see the calculator. Use the link. Go ahead and just try different amounts. See what's going on in your area. See what prices are out there for the homes that you like, and go ahead and, like we say here, figure out your own payments. Figure out your own escrow, and so you can get a good idea of what you're looking at. So at that point, I'm going to go ahead and cancel the video. We'll close it out here, and you guys can just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.